Okay, let's see how much money I made my first month monetized on YouTube. Hi guys, I'm Chantel, and here I like to talk about all things online money making, but over on a different channel I talk about books and all the books that I'm reading. And I recently, a month ago now, got monetized on there, so I thought it would be fun to take a look, see how much money I made in that month. I did some research beforehand and had a general idea how much other people were making, but I know different kinds of videos, different topics make different amounts of money. Every video can be different and everyone's channel can be different depending on their niche. So I had an idea, and now we're gonna see how far off I was, I guess. So from what I had looked at online, kind of people who, you know, hit the 1,000 subscriber mark and then hit their 4,000 watch hour mark. I have videos both like sharing ideas on how I got to those. People were making about $85 US their first month in. Now there are a ton of different factors here. If you are like someone with a big audience and you grew your channel really quickly, then maybe you had 1,000 subscribers when you first started getting monetized, but maybe like a month in you had, I don't know, like 10,000 subscribers. Where I'm at now, a month in, I'm 1,750 subscribers. So it took me a month and a half after reaching 1,000 subscribers to hit the 4,000 watch hour mark. So I probably had about 1,500 subscribers when I started getting monetized, when I started making money. And so now I'm at 1,750 subscribers. And I'm going to take this, I've got my analytics open here. So I have it up here, and you can kind of already see a little bit about how much I made, except that YouTube defaults to showing you the last 28 days, which is 4 weeks. I don't understand that, because like whoever cares about 4 weeks, 28 days? What about the month? So I'm gonna just pull this out to the last 90 days and we will see here. So look at this, let's just start here. It says I made $102.10 in the first month of my channel being monetized. So if we click on here, you can see I started, the last date here is September 12th. And there is, if you want to get like really sticky here, I did actually make money August 12th. I made about 20 cents. And that was because I got monetized like right in the evening. They approved my channel. So I made 20 cents that first day, which I'm not counting because like I've never gone that low before. So I'm just not counting that day. So even if you take off 20 cents from here, I made a little over $100 the first month. And just to give you an idea how much each day was, usually I found if I didn't post a video, it was around $2. If I did post a video, it was anywhere between $4 and $5, with the exception of my most popular video each month is always my monthly TBR video, and that one I made just under $10. So there was a peek into how much money I made my first month on YouTube. I mean, like, it's not a ton, but you know, it's something. I'm having fun with it. I never actually started my BookTube channel to make money, which is, so it's just bonus, like $100 worth of books I could buy now or something. Actually, something to note is this is in US dollars and I'm Canadian, so actually it ends up being like $135 instead of $100. So it actually just multiplied for me. So I don't know where this channel is going to go in the future. I've just been having fun chatting about like online income and stuff, but recently I got really inspired on like video editing, and this isn't really the space where I can do that. I'm not sure. So these videos will stay here. This channel may evolve into something else over time. I may come back and talk more about online income stuff. I don't know, but I hope this has been helpful for some people, and if there is something particular you would like to see in the future, let me know. Otherwise, for the next little bit, I'm going to be using this extra time by not posting here to work on some little other fun projects I'm working on, I guess. You can always follow me on my BookTube channel or my homeschool channel, and definitely stay subscribed here because I'm assuming this is going to become something at some point. I have tons of ideas, but you know, as a parent and homeschooler and person with a life, it's hard to find time to do everything, but I have lots of ideas. Thanks for watching, guys.